Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Dive into the world of modern wall paint design with our latest video where we will inspire you with innovative ideas to elevate your interior decor. From geometric patterns to texture finishes and bold color blocks, discover how to make a statement and personalize your space. Whether you are revamping your bedroom, living room, or any other area in your home, we have curated a collection of contemporary designs to suit every taste and aesthetic. Join us as we have explored the endless possibilities of wall paint design and uncover tips for creating a visually stunning and unique experiment. Don't miss out on unlocking the potential of your walls with these inspiring ideas. Decorating home walls with paint offers endless possibilities for adding personality, style, and visual interest to your space. Here are some detailed ideas and techniques to consider. Number 1. Create a focal point in the room by painting one wall in a bold or contrasting color. This adds depth and drama to the space without overwhelming it. Choose a wall that naturally draws attention, such as the one behind the sofa in the living room or the wall opposite the bed in the bedroom. Number 2. Experiment with stripes, chevrons, or other geometric patterns to add visual interest to your walls. Use painter's tape to create clean, precise lines and play with varying depths and colors for a dynamic look. Strips can elongate a room to draw the eye upward, making it feel larger and more spacious. Number 3. Achieve a gradient effect by blending two or more shades of the same color from light to dark or vice versa. Start with a base coat and gradually blend the colors together while they are still wet to create a seamless transitions. This technique adds depth and dimensions to the wall, creating a soft and ethereal look. Number 4. Use stencils to add intricate designs or motifs to your walls. These techniques allow you to customize the look of your walls with the patterns such as damask, macaron tiles, or bonetical motifs. Stenciling can be done with contrasting colors for a bold statement or subtle tones for a more understand effects. Number 5. Experiment with textures paint finishes to add tactile interest to your walls. Techniques such as sponge painting, rag rolling, or stippling create depth and dimensions, giving your wall a unique and tactile quality. Textured finishes work practically well in space where you want to add warmth and character, such as the dining room or bedroom. Number 6. Commission a mural or create your own artistic design to make a bold statement on your walls. Murals can depict landscapes, abstract designs, or even personal images that reflect your interest and personality. Consider hiring a professional artist or muralist for intricate designs or unleash your creativity with dye techniques. Number 7. Experiment with color blocking by painting different sections of the wall in contrasting or contemporary colors. This modern and playful technique adds visual interest and dimension to the space while allowing you to experiment with color in a bold way. Number 8 and the last one is transform your walls into interactive features by painting them with chalkboard or whiteboard paint. This allows you to write, draw, and erase on the walls, making them both functional and fun. Use chalkboard walls in the kitchen for grocery lists and recipes in the kids' room for creative expressions. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.